In this video, I will show you how to download and install Telegram app on Android. So let's get started. First, open Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type Telegram and tap search. So this is the Telegram app that we are going to install. Tap install button. Wait for a couple of seconds for the app to get download and install on your device. Once installation gets over, tap open. Now tap start messaging. Select your country if not auto selected. Now enter your phone number to use with Telegram account. Once you enter your valid mobile number, you will receive a code. Just enter the code for verification. Once done, your Telegram account will be ready to use. So that is how you can download and install Telegram app on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.